Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we create the 5-axis finishing operation for this region. So let's get right into it. The first thing is just to click on the geometry view. I just define my MCS over here, then define the workpiece. This was my workpiece, and for the stock I take offset from path of 0.1 mm. Okay, and you can define this material that you will be cut, and taking a 1.5 ball nose, 1.5, and okay, now the tool added over here. I'll go for the create operation, mill multi-axis at Z level 5 axis, NC program, select the tool, workpiece, and mill finish, and the cutting area is this one. Okay, now tool, and define the tool number and tool axis away from path. Automatic, check the collision if my tool collides somewhere, so specify that. One maximum cut length is 0.5, depth per cut, and depth first, keep the depth first constant, keep it 0.1. click somewhere here to tag this one, go for the speed and feed. Okay, and now I will generate it. See, so this is how you can create the 5-axis Z level finishing operation. So hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for learning the CAD/CAM, CAE, CNC, manufacturing and production automation. Thanks for watching.